Hi guys, so now we will be doing our project and we will apply all the things that we have learned of doing faux calligraphy into, a quote or a phrase that I have in mind. So anyway, this, you're free to choose whatever quote you like, if you have a favorite quote you want. But for today, I will be choosing this quote from Henry Matisse. It goes like this: creativity takes courage. All right, so that is my quote for today. And first things first, I just want to share with you some of the tools that I'll be using today. So aside from the fine liners, of course, it's also good that you have cardstocks that you can practice and put your final coat in. So I cut them into 5x7 pieces. This Strathmore Bristol pad, this is one of my favorites, and it got a nice smooth feel to it. You can also use any paper, at least like 28-pound paper and up, so that's anything that's not so flimsy should be good. And of course we will be needing a pencil. Any good pencil will do. This one, it's a Staedtler HB pencil. I just like HB because it's very easy to erase. And of course, when we do our sketches, we just want to make sure that, we don't put too much pressure on the paper so that it's easier to erase. Also, good old ruler. And this is one of my favorites when I'm erasing. So it's called a kneaded eraser. If you don't know about this, a kneaded eraser is very good because you don't have to worry about all those eraser dust that happens after you erase. So it's nice and it erases really smoothly, leaving no trace, as long as I mentioned a while ago, you don't put too much pressure when you are laying it out or sketching out your piece. All right, so let's get started. So before I do any, sketch, I usually do like a thumbnail and put some ideas out there on how I will write my piece, right? So since our phrase for today is creativity takes courage, I usually do like little sketches, little thumbnails first, and see on, how I can actually write it. So one way, maybe I will write it in a straight line, or maybe I will do like a vertical piece like this, like creativity takes courage, and then maybe I'll put some flourishes down there, or maybe I can do like a shape, like an oval, and I'll fill that out. So creativity takes courage, and then I'll flourish this letter over here. So different ways to do that. I'll just have this little thumbnail sketches just to give me some idea, right? And then after that, next step is I will be laying it out on a piece of paper, which is what we'll do right now, is the 5x7. I would normally put margins on the sides, just because, like, for me, my tendency is I won't be able to like work in the middle. I want to make sure that there's like balance going on. So it's all optional if you want to do that, but for me, I like to have this so that I have a guideline. So after that, I'm thinking I really like doing it like in an oval form. So maybe I will just sketch like an oval inside the square or rectangle, and then I will lay out the letters here. So if you observe, I'm not putting too much pressure on my pen, so because you'll have a hard time erasing that. All right, so just make sure you're just doing a very light touch on your paper. So what I'll do is I will try to write or try to sketch my letters. sure that you'll be creating more space there for your second line. Right, so after you sketch, next is I'll have to put the second line to mimic the downstrokes. So as much as possible, you want these lines to have the same width. There. And then after that, what I'll do is I will just have to erase some of these by gently pressing the kneading eraser on my pencil sketch. So as you can see, it's very light now. Right, so that's good to go. We can just go over those lines with our fine liners, and then after that we'll decorate it some more. So these are the colors that I want to work on today, but I'm not gonna limit myself to this. There are other colors that I can use later on, but I'll be mostly focusing on this. So I'll be showing you the colors in a bit, but I'll also be listing it out on your screen if you want to use the same one, but feel free to use whatever color you like. So here you go, everybody, our finished piece. I hope you learned something from our tutorial today. And as what our quote says, creativity takes courage. I hope you will pick the pens, the fine liners, and create something amazing. Thank you for joining me today.